a 2006 Honda Accord. This is the 3.0. So I already replaced the heater valve, or the heater valve, and it's this one right here. So as you can see, it's broke from there. This is the part that goes there. Okay, so it was leaking really bad, so I replaced it. So I just want to show you, it's really easy to do it. So you can see it's already there, so you need to remove these clips right here. Let me do it. Remove this clip, remove this clip down here. Okay, and you're gonna remove this clip too. So just use your finger and just lift it up and remove the cable. Okay, so okay, just put it back, just like that. And you only have to remove two hoses, this one and this one right here. Let me see. Yeah, this one right here. So two hoses. Basically is this hose here and this hose here. And need to remove this bolt right there. That's number 10 bolt. And also you need to remove, when you got this part out, you need to remove this bracket for the heater valve. So you'll have to remove only two little screws, this one and this one, and just put the bracket on the new part, and just put everything back together, you know, the hoses. And when you install this cable right here, you should put you know, this bracket on the marks, because this one got some marks on it. So you should put on the same marks this bracket right there, and just reinstall the bolt number 10. So it's pretty simple, guys. It's not so complicated. And for the radiator, it's really easy too. So just have to remove the fans. You need to release this number 10 bolts. So you got 3, and to drain the radiator, just open this. Just open this drain plug right here. You have to release drain all the coolant, and you have to remove the plugs. I mean, it's really easy to remove the radiator and just disconnect the hoses. So when you go done with your heater valve or your radiator, you are going to need this funnel kit. Okay, so this funnel kit, you're gonna put it inside right here in your radiator, add coolant, and you're gonna start the car, you know, run the engine running, and you're gonna let all the bubbles comes from the funnel. So this is the kit. This is the part number. You can get it from Amazon. It's really good. I got this one like 2 years ago, and it's still in a really good shape. Okay, and when you know the fans start working, so it means that it's ready to go. So it's pretty simple, guys, to remove the valve heater, the heater valve, and you know, to bleed the system. Okay, so if you got any questions, just just let me know.